I've literally just made something incredible. These are my winter snowballs. I mean, who wouldn't want these out at Christmas? They're made from the simplest of ingredients, mainly coconut and chocolate. And I've put them in an apple because I didn't have an orange, but look how beautiful they look. Imagine having your children picking these up instead of bought chocolates that are going to send their blood sugars through the roof. These you can feel guilt-free about, and I've even put the recipe in. So what do they taste like? Well, they're phenomenal. I already know they're phenomenal because I've already had one, but let's just cut them open. These ones are a little bit hard because I've just got them out of the freezer to coat them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, these are insane. Coconut is a fruit, so please check, but lots of children that are allergic to tree nuts aren't allergic to coconut. So these are perfect and so much better than anything you can buy. I hope you love them as much as I am. They're insane. They're so good. I'm going to give you this recipe for free because it's just too good to miss. If you really like it, do download my Something Sweet recipe ebook from the link in bio because there's loads more recipes like this. So you do not need to buy chocolates or feel pressure to buy big boxes of chocolates this Christmas when you can make things this good that you don't have to feel guilty about you or your family eating.